Hello there, I'm John McLauchlan. Welcome to another video. So if this is the first time you visit the channel, then hit the subscribe button, and if you get some value from this or any of the videos on this channel, then give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Alright, today I'm going to answer one of those questions that people have when they do affiliate marketing, and that is how to promote affiliate links. How do you actually get some traction when you first start something? It doesn't really matter what you're promoting. You can be promoting HBA, the Home Business Academy. You can be promoting Live Good. You could be promoting Get Response, any number of affiliate marketing products. How do you promote those affiliate marketing products? How do you get them out there? And this is, like I say, one of the main questions people ask. So here's the thing. Find out what you would normally do when it comes to solving a problem. Okay, let me give you the latest example. One of the bulbs went on my car, and I'm fiddling around with the car, and I'm thinking, how do I get this bulb out? I don't really know, and obviously I'm quite prone to just forcing and breaking things. So I thought I'll go on YouTube, and I'll find somebody on YouTube with the same make and model of car, and find out how to do it. And literally, I watched the video. 2 minutes in, I knew what I had to do, and it was really simple. Went and did it, changed the bulb, we're done. All right. And the majority of people do that. The majority of people go onto YouTube and find a video that solves their problems. And, you know, years ago when I first started doing this, it was blogs, you know, and people would do blogs and articles and that sort of thing. People now, probably for the last, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 years, people want to consume video, okay? And if they're getting involved in affiliate marketing, if they're looking for ways to promote their affiliate marketing products, their affiliate links, then they will go onto YouTube to look for solutions. So as a affiliate marketer, what you want to be doing is being a producer of content, okay? And the easiest way to do it is just document your journey. It doesn't matter if you're brand new. It doesn't matter if you've been in this for 10 years, okay? Everyone's got their own journey, everyone's got their own story, and it's valuable to somebody out there with your audience, okay? So the first thing we look at is, where is your audience and what are they actually doing? And like I said, the majority of people are on YouTube looking for solutions, and if you position yourself, you don't have to be the expert, okay? Because I know a lot of people think, I've got to be the expert, I've just started this business, I don't really think I'm qualified to give advice. Don't position yourself as the expert. Just position yourself as somebody who is in business, because there's a lot of people out there looking for a business, looking for things to do, okay, and they're going to look to you for advice because you've already made that commitment, okay? So do that. The thing is, as well, is if you're trying to come over as the expert, you sometimes get what's the word? Imposter syndrome. You get imposter syndrome, and the imposter syndrome comes over more than you trying to tell your story. So here's the second thing: just be genuine. Be genuine, be authentic to your audience, and don't tell people you've done something when you haven't. Don't tell people you've made a ton of money when you haven't, because they will know, okay? The thing is with social media and video is that people have become more savvy, and people are able to understand more non-verbal communication. Even when you look at social media and somebody puts a post on and they say one thing but they really mean something else, and people can kind of, they're starting to understand, okay, what's really going on, what are the real nuances of what's being said in the video, you know. And if your conscious mind is in line with your subconscious and what you're saying is completely genuine and completely authentic, that will come over in your non-verbal communication, okay? And that's really important to do that. So just be genuine, okay? If you've just started a business, hey, let me tell you this business, this is why I got into it, okay? I just started promoting this business a week ago, and actually what I did probably about, you know, a month's worth of research and finding out about this business, whatever the business is. Let me tell you about this business, and let me tell you why I got started. Okay, that is a lot more authentic and more genuine than saying this is up. And let me tell you, people sometimes use too many adjectives. Okay, this is absolutely awesome, sensational, unbelievable opportunity. You won't believe it. You know, By the time you've come out with too many adjectives, people have already gone, because there's no need. Okay, people don't talk like that in normal conversation, unless they've got something to prove, or unless they're trying to tell somebody something, or unless they know that person really well. Okay, so just be yourself. Okay, really important to do that. And again, the other issue we have, or I have, with new people coming on board is they think they need to be further on than where they are. Okay, I know I've just covered this, but it's really important. If you're brand new, okay, let's say, look, if you've gone the other side of the door and there's a load of people looking at the door wondering whether they should go in or not, who is more qualified to tell them to go through the door? Okay, somebody who's actually gone through the door. Okay, it doesn't matter if you've done something or not. Okay, and they'll be like, can you just tell me what's on the other side of the door, please? Yeah, this is what it is. This is what it looks like. This is the view. Okay, yeah, come in, have a look. That's the approach that you want to be taking. Okay, just take people by the hand. So here's the thing. The other thing is, some people don't like doing video. Okay, and some people, they're more worried. They're not. The old thing used to be, I'm worried about failing in business, and that isn't really an issue anymore when it comes to online businesses, because they're easy to get into. They're not expensive, and you can. It doesn't really, you're not investing 50, 60, 100,000 in a traditional business. Okay, so it doesn't have a massive impact. The impact most people have is being ridiculed by their friends, by their family. Oh, something else that you're starting now. What's this new thing? You're going to be a millionaire next year. All that nonsense. And you're known within your community or with your friends and family as a certain person. Fred the plumber. Okay, you're a so-and-so. And the unfortunate thing is, people tend to pigeonhole you by what you actually do. And that's incredibly shallow, but that's what people do. Okay, oh, you're a baker. Right, so I can put you in that category, and I can put you in that lifestyle and that kind of intellect and everything else. And as soon as you come online and start talking about something different, then they get spooked and their security goes up, and that's why people ridicule. Okay, so if you can get over that hurdle, okay, and again, be as genuine as possible, be yourself. Okay, so when your friends and family see you, they go, okay, well, there's John. Okay, he's doing something new, but he's just being himself, so that's okay. All right, the big problem comes when you're not yourself and you start to talk about too many, this is great, this is fantastic, this is awesome, you got to get in, and I've been really successful with this. And you go, no, he's not. Saw him down the pub last week, he had no money. What's going on? So just be yourself. It's really, really important to do that. And some of my most viewed videos, when I got involved in Live Good, I gave a 48-hour review. Okay, I've been in Live Good 48 hours, didn't give any income claims, didn't really say anything. It was just okay, this is why I got in Live Good. This is why I got involved in it. Let me show you what it is. Okay, and a lot of people look at the button. Okay, sometimes on the screen, what happens if I click the button? What happens if I click that button? Okay, so you show them, put your details in, click the button, you're going to find this page, and this is what I found. Okay, and there's no income claims, because the other thing about income claims is the people that don't like them, okay, are the people that want people who are genuine, and the people that like them are the people that will probably get into a business for 5 minutes and then quit because they didn't make 50 grand overnight. Okay, and when you're not making a lot of money, if you say I've been in this business 6 months and I've made £4.50 or $10 or whatever, okay, people go, that's rubbish, I'm not going to get in that. And yet people that have said, okay, I've been in this business for 18 months now and I've done over 300 grand, people then go, scam. Okay, because you've then got to justify it. So whichever way you do it, you've just got to be yourself and you've got to be genuine. This is why I don't really bother too much with income claims, because what I've made is completely irrelevant to what anybody else could make. All right, and if you lead with income claims, then it can lead to all kinds of potential issues. So just be yourself, just be genuine. Okay. So number one, where are your audience? Okay, where are they? Okay, and put your videos or put your content where those people are. Okay, and the other thing is, what is the medium that connects and resonates with your audience? Okay, because then essentially what you want to be doing is connecting with your audience and resonating with your audience. Okay, and I've found video to be infinitely more powerful than articles or blogs or emails or anything else. I mean, if you're good at emails and you've got a good responsive list, then fantastic. You probably don't need this video, okay, because you already know how to promote your affiliate links. But for people that don't know how to promote their affiliate links and are just getting started with affiliate marketing, you're going to need some guidance. And if you can do video, then let me tell you, it's the most direct way to connect with your audience. It really is. I mean, I can look at this camera, I can look right into the lens, okay, just like this, and I'm having a personal one-to-one conversation with you, sat behind your office, sat on your phone, sat on the train, wherever you are right now, you know, and it's the most direct way, you know. And if I can say, okay, well, if you want some more information, there's a link just below here in the description, have a look at that, then pretty much we've got everything we need, okay. You know, so that's what I would say is just, and one final thing is have the faith and the confidence in yourself. It's really important because so many people get dejected. One story that I say quite a lot of the time, I won't say his name, okay, but he's well known in the online space, and he did a video every single day for 12 months. Okay, one video a day, doing videos like this, 12 months, had no responses, didn't make any money. Okay, went badly into debt. Okay, but kept doing it. Now at that point, would you carry on or would you quit? Okay, and most people, unfortunately, they have this 3-month cycle going. Okay, 3 months, I'll be really busy for 3 months, and then suddenly, well, nothing's really happened in 3 months, even though they're getting more eyeballs on their videos, they're getting more people to respond, okay, but because there are no actual sales coming in, sometimes that can be not a distraction, but it can be discouraging for people. Now, going back to the story, this guy did 12 months straight, every single day of videos, had no responses. At 12 months after that, he made 6 figures. He made 6 figures online, okay. And you've seen that old meme of, you know, the guy chipping away underground with a pick, and he's so close, okay. And then on the other side is the guy just walking away, okay. It's so true. It's so true. So just because you're doing video, just because you've got the courage to do video, just because you're being authentic and genuine and everything that I've said in this video, don't expect immediate results, okay. But you will get results. Okay, if you're consistent, that's one of the words, you've got to be consistent, and you're being everything that I've said in this video, you will get results. Okay, you just got to keep doing it, and as you keep doing it and as you move forward, you will refine your process. You will develop a format, a video format. Okay, if you notice at the beginning of this video, one of the things I always say is, hello, I'm John McLauchlan, welcome to the video. If this is the first time you visit the channel, please subscribe and like and that sort of thing. So that's one of the things I always say. It develops part of the format, and it also, you know, invites people to subscribe. Okay, so if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Okay, bottom right somewhere, wherever it is, and give us a thumbs up. Okay, so you can do that, and then you can create the content. Okay, create the content for your audience, give them what they're looking for. Okay, and obviously, you know, we're talking about how to promote affiliate links. That's what we're talking about in this video. And at the end, we'll give you a call to action and an outro. Okay, and it's really simple. But you know, the more that you do video, the more you'll find your rhythm, your way. Okay, and it's, I almost say it's like a roulette wheel. They spin the roulette wheel, they stick the marble in or stick the ball in. Okay, and it goes round and round and round and round, and suddenly it hits a number, and then it stops. And this is what I say is, when The more consistent you are with video or marketing in general, then the more you'll find your place, okay, and the more you'll fit in. But sometimes it just takes a bit of going through. You've got to do bad videos when you first start doing video, all right? You've got to do those bad videos. And as I always say, you've only got one opportunity to do bad videos, because you're going to improve and get better and better. And then your audience, I mean, let me ask you, have you ever looked at somebody's videos on YouTube and gone back to the first one? Okay, and you can see the lighting's rubbish, and maybe it's in, you know, standard definition, and the umming and ahhing, and it's just a bit amateur. Okay, everybody starts out like that. Nobody starts out doing perfect videos. Okay, so you've got to go through the process. So do that. Okay, so when it comes to how to promote affiliate links and also affiliate marketing, my recommendation is to do video, but do whatever resonates with you and do whatever helps you connect with your audience. Okay, think about where your audience are and think about your message, and just be consistent with whatever you do. Okay, be consistent and you will get results. Okay, anyway, if you have any other questions, please, there is a text number on here. Okay, so this comes through to my phone. Okay, comes directly through to here. I do respond to all those. And if you want to send me an email, or if you've got any other questions, please just reach out. The reason I do these videos is to help as many people as we can, and obviously develop a business together. I should really turn that off and do videos. So any questions, reach out. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and look out for some more videos coming soon. I'm John McLauchlan. Been good talking. As always, we'll speak soon. Bye for now.